After a monumental failure while shooting a green screen, I just wanted to preface this video by saying that sometimes all you need is a little bit of daylight, good audio insulation, and some pretext. This video is going to be about YouTube Shorts and how Vegas could be used to facilitate that.
YouTube Shorts are Team Red's answer to TikTok and Instagram Reels. This is as clear as anyone could guess. Anyone familiar with either platforms, particularly TikTok, can imagine that the format does yield better exposure. It's almost magical. New channels have been able to rack up views in tens of thousands just by honing in on one brief but meaningful content. A moment that is laid out in portrait mode for the duration of 60 seconds. It's great for subscribers, but not so much for watch hours. In fact, some videos have suggested that shorts don't even count for watch hours, although vidIQ suggests that it does under very specific circumstances. For those who don't know, a YouTube channel requires 4,000 watch hours gained throughout the year, plus a bare minimum of 1,000 subscribers to qualify for monetization. Which brings me to why Shorts is great. When done right, it can be the quickest deal to covering at least that subscription milestone. If you run anything like a gaming channel, even though watch hours aren't gained from Shorts, it stands to reason that your viewership will still be of interest to the proper networks who'll want to contract with you. Some of them don't even bother looking at your subscription base, although I haven't really looked into any of their terms in 2021, especially with Shorts still being relatively new. For the rest of YouTube, well, if you're somebody like me who's catered to providing educational content, then perhaps one of the things you'd like to do is tell your followers what to anticipate for your upcoming content, and you want to do it quick and dirty with your phone. I wasn't the most excited person when Vegas Hub came out. I mean, sure, who doesn't love unlimited access to stock footage of music, right? I mean, you're practically looking at it. But when I say Vegas Hub, I meant the cloud storage thing. I will say that when I heard about this, I did file it under the nice thing to have box. The thing about nice things is that one day they might just come in handy. YouTube's Shorts editor is inherently lacking. You can throw text, swap a few color filters, and slap on some music, but if you've been paying attention as to how the rest of the platforms work, you'd be expecting extra stuff like shapes and stickers. Also, not having the option to add GIFs is a cardinal sin, dude. As much as I love throwing in a pole dancing dinosaur though, there's definitely a lot more you can do with Vegas.
Oh crap, he's so dead. And I'm dead too! I am dead. Okay, I keep playing Zareth like he's Thresh.
Okay, so that one was mildly embarrassing. There's also this disturbing reverse screen split effect, which, for some reason, a lot of people are obsessed with. There is mandalas. I made that one up. So I think I've shown enough to demonstrate Vegas's utility. Now it's just a matter of what your channel is all about. There couldn't be a more exciting time to be on YouTube, especially when Google's really trying hard to promote this feature. If there's something you'd like to learn more about this, when it comes to vertical videos, by all means hit me up in the comment section. That being said, I will end this video by actually recommending another one outside of my channel. And this one deals with vertical vids. Please support Dato, Aliff, Alex, I hope I didn't butcher that name, and anyone else contributing to the Vegas sphere. Matter of fact, if you do have tutorials you'd like to recommend to those of us watching and learning, by all means, share it in the comments section. I'll see you guys next time.